Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Rudy here with your Yachts, and today we are here in Blackhawk Estates. It's a beautiful day, acreage home, and guess what guys, I have a treat for you. We are making low noise, or if we have noise, that should be determined by this beautiful machine. So guys, this is a Toro Grandstand Revolution. And this is a 52-inch deck, turbo force, all electric, no belts, no liquids like fuel and oil. Electric, all you get. So I have this one here for testing right now, or demoing, and I'm gonna cut a few nice paths on this property here and see how it performs. So the electric mower has left the scene, and as you can see, maybe not as clearly, but like the stripes were not really that impressive because admitting I'm not the best on a stander. My choice of mowing is a zero turn, although we do have a stander in our fleet, but that's mostly the tool of choice for anyone who's on the helping side. So I'll stick to the zero turn. So hence, I was a little wobbly on the stander, keeping those straight lines. So I have to fix things like this with the gas zero turn. So that's what I'm going to do right now. And you can probably tell by the audio that the battery unit I could run without ear protection. Now I do have like earplugs right here. I could run the battery unit without any ear protection. So that was awesome, which is like one of the biggest selling points of a dealership selling those, because you could be mowing like either starting way early with your guys in residential areas, because it is almost no noise. The only noise there is like from the wind of the deck from the cutting. Other than that, there's not really much noise. The electric motors just give that high pitch whine, but that's not really like that much of a deal for noise pollution. So that is awesome. So I'm going to strap you in there, and you're going to see how I mow with this gas mower, gas zero turn, to finish up the job. And that's the wrap, guys. We have it all done. First step was trying out the multi-force, no, the regular Grandstand Revolution, Toro that is, all electric, and we had the pleasure to test it out. And thanks to Darren from Future Ag in Stony Plain for arranging all this with the Toro West Canada sales rep. Thanks so much for giving me the opportunity to test this unit. And also we had a multi-force gasser with a dump unit on and a bagger, of course the mowing deck too. I tested that out very briefly, not too much in depth. So today was basically all about the electric future of lawn mowing for bigger spaces. Unfortunately, they didn't have a zero turn, which is my expertise. As you saw, my lines or stripes on that stander were not really that convincing. I'm more like a zero turn guy. That's where my experience is. Anyways, it was a blast. It was great to see what's out there, and most importantly, like the noise. Oh my God! Like you can drive this electric equipment without ear protection. Probably wouldn't hurt to still have some if you use it for 8 hours a day. But like, it is awesome. It's great. The only down point so far is like the upfront high investment of the unit, which is most likely, or which is the battery, which makes it so expensive. But if you're like a progressive thinking guy or company, this may be the unit for you and you guys. So thanks again for Darren from Future Ag for setting all this up and coming out. And other than that, I will see you in the lawn over out here. Rudy with Your Yard Service, 780-218-8134, youryardservice.com. And I will see you again in your lawn or in the other lawn.